Welcome back to the channel. In our present day world, we find that violence has become almost a creed, cult, or a culture of many sections of society. It is now being increasingly used even against innocent people for giving expression to one's disapproval of a political decision or one's resentment against an act of state or for securing public attention or getting one's grievances redressed. One hardly finds nowadays any sincere efforts for maintaining an atmosphere of friendship, brotherly love, fraternity feeling, personal and social goodwill, and good neighborliness, or for showing concern for each other's well-being through these work once upon a time commonly prevalent social norm. Instead, one finds that the capacity to tolerate and adjust at interpersonal, institutional, or community level and the efforts to maintain harmony in human relations have gone very low or have almost vanished, so much so that individuals and communities now indulge in bloodshed on trivial matters and on slightest provocation or even without provocation. Thus, social or communal harmony has now become a very rare commodity and goodwill is in very short supply. We also find conditions of grave economic misery in many parts of the world. About 50% of the world population is living a subhuman life in a state of abject poverty. How many people die daily of malnutrition or due to lack of Medicare? Further, a very large part of mankind is afflicted with physical, mental, or social sickness or psychosomatic diseases and emotional disturbances. There is mental tension and a high incidence of crime everywhere, and people feel much personal and social insecurity. There is a lot of political corruption. There are injustices and cruelties in our social order, hatred, threat of war, and duplicity in international relations, domestic disorders, family breakup, greed in trade and commerce, and lack of service motive and values in businesses and industry, imbalance in ecology and dangerous level of pollution in the environment, worrying growth rate of human population, and personal viciousness which is manifested in many ways. Man is no longer in harmony with nature, with his environment, with fellow being, and even with his own self. In fact, disharmony in the world is due to disharmony in